Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Amazon Prime Video subscription plan. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open up the Amazon Prime application here and make sure you are signed in. And if not, then go ahead, sign in. Now to make a purchase, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of your screen and then tap on the settings option you see on the top of your screen. You will then see the option for my account. Tap on that and then tap on the manage account option. In here you will be able to view all your current memberships and subscriptions if you have made any purchases previously. Now to make a new purchase, since I have a free trial left, I will tap on the start a free trial option and make further purchases. You will simply have to enter your card details and choose a plan to confirm your subscription. So that's pretty much it. That's how to buy Amazon Prime Video subscription. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.